Yo, what's going on, guys? It's JV Gong here, back with another video. And today, I'm gonna be doing another forecasting video right now. So today is September 10th right now, and today is the peak of hurricane season right now. The peak of hurricane season is when the waters are the warmest, and the wind shear are the lowest, for this year. So yeah, and now we have a lot of tropical activity going on in Atlantic right now. So now we got Paulette and Rene, right now, and there are four more disturbances. Two of them are really close to the United States of America. So right now, the first disturbance right now, disturbance number one. So has a 40% chance of development over the next 5 days. A low 10% chance over the next 48 hours. And disturbance number two right now, has a low 20% chance in the next 5 days and 10% chance in the next 40 hours. So it does have a low chance of development because it's pretty close to land right now. So it could develop into probably a depression or something over the next 5 days. But yeah, this one's I think this is likely gonna, well, I think it has actually kind of have a good chance of becoming a depression soon. It has a good chance. But yeah, this is gonna produce some really heavy showers to the Florida area and the Gulf states. So that's gonna produce some pretty heavy rain, around 1 to 2 inches of rain. I say around 1 to 2 inches of rain, or 2 to 3 inches of rain. I checked it on the website, on the weather.com. But yeah, we have another disturbance right here. Disturbance number three that has a much higher chance of development. So it has a 90% chance of development over the next 5 days right now. It has a 60% chance over the next 40 hours right now. So right now it's just off the coast of Africa right now. It's on water right now, and the track has a little bit has shifted much south. Okay, yeah, it looks like the track is really most likely taking it west. But yeah, this is a big concern for us because where this could head is is the question everybody wants to know. So we'll check out the models to see where the models show heading. So, but let's check out the last model. So, last model is disturbance number last disturbance. Last last disturbance is disturbance number four. So, it has a 40% chance over the next 5 days and a 0% chance over the next 40 hours. And let's check out Palatine. So Palatine has 50 miles an hour wind. It's moving north at 9 miles an hour. And if you can see the track right here, the track has changed a lot, and looks like it's weakening right now because the high wind shear it's going to be interacting with. It's right now battling wind shear right now, and after it passes the wind shear, it's going to strengthen once again and likely into a hurricane actually, and it's going to hit the Bermuda area, almost just going to pass Bermuda by Monday 2 p.m. But this is likely going to be a fish storm, so don't worry, guys. This is likely not going to hit the U.S., but there is some wave impacts that are going to impact the U.S. A little bit of wave height, higher wave height. But if you can see the discussions, the highest winds are saying 90 miles an hour by 120 hours from now. So that's about 7 days. That's about a week from now. So let me see. About almost a week from now. So yeah, 90 miles an hour. So yeah, I guess reasonable because there are some pretty favorable conditions at the Bermuda area. So yeah, very warm water. So it could possibly actually get to a category 2. So the chances are actually increasing for a category 2 right now. So it is not completely out of the pictures yet. For Rene right now, tropical storm Rene, it is forecasted to become a hurricane by 2 p.m. Saturday this weekend. But the track has changed again. But this time it's shifting west right now. It's shifting west. But this is, I think, I'm pretty sure this is gonna not gonna affect the U.S. I'm pretty sure this is probably gonna turn to be a fish storm or something. Um, so right now it's only at 50 miles an hour, so it's actually pretty close to Paulette right now. But let's check out the discussion right now. So the discussion right now. So it says here, it will become 75 miles an hour winds, max winds, at the next 40 hours. So 2 days from now. So 75 miles an hour, minimum hurricane status, category 1. But if you can see, they're actually really close to each other. Just look. Paulette and Rene are really close to each other. They're about less than 800 miles within each other. So the Fiji they could actually circulate around it. They could actually just circulate around each other because they're so close to each other. Yeah, I think that's possibly gonna happen to Paulette and Rene. The track is gonna interact the track. So let's see what the models say. So first let's check out Paulette. So Paulette, this is the satellite imagery of Paulette right now. So the Paulette right now, look at the convections are actually really high right now. Yeah, yeah, pretty tall clouds right now. But the wind shear actually pushed all the convections all the way to the north because all the wind shear from the south is actually pushing it all the way to the north. So yeah, that's impacting it from strength. That's interacting with it, and then now starting to weaken a little. It is forecast to continue to weaken, but after that and then strengthen. If you can see the convections, there are some pinks right there, indicating pretty cold cloud tops and really tall clouds. Next, we'll check out is Rene. Okay, so now we'll check out Tropical Storm Rene right now. So it has winds of 50 miles an hour and the pressure is right now is at 1,000 millibars right now. So if you check out the satellite imagery of this one, you can just see the convections are starting to die down a little. Yeah, kind of die down a little, and it just doesn't look that much organized than like 2 days ago or yesterday. Yeah, you can just see it's kind of dying down. Like the wind shear from the east is actually pushing all the convections to the west, so it's exposing the eye right there, the center. So you can check out Paulette. All the models are indicating actually, wow, look at that. I can see a lot of reds. I can see a lot of dark reds, even some pinks right there. So if you can see a lot of dark reds actually indicating 970 to 960. The pinks are indicating 950 to 940. So 950 is already around like a Category 3 hurricane. 940 is a high Category 3 hurricane. So yeah, this is gonna be probably a big deal. Well, not a big deal. Like there's probably gonna be a pretty strong hurricane. But all the models are indicating it to be a fish storm or something. All the intensity guidance for tropical storm Paulette, most of them are actually indicating tropical into Category 1 strength, even Category 2 actually. So yeah, I think Category 2 is possible. It is starting to be possible for Paulette, for it to be a Category 2. So yeah, my prediction is Paulette could be a high probably a high Category 2 hurricane by next week. Rene right now, if you can see the intensity guidance and the models are really far spread apart right now. So the models are really confident of it where it's going right now. So because it's too early right now, but we'll see in the next few days. But all the models right now, a lot of models are right now are taking it to be like somewhere at the 60 knots right now, 60 knots. Some models are even taking it to a Category 1 strains. C94L. So 94L just died out. It already died out. So it's bringing some rain to the North Carolina area, but not really gonna be some heavy rain or something. Let's check out the wide Atlantic. So let's check out the Atlantic wide. So we can just see like there's gonna be a lot of storms right now. So there's 6 at the same time. Okay, guys, so this is the Atlantic wide right now in the satellite imagery, and there are quite a lot of activities going on right now in the Atlantic right now. So there's a bunch of convections and moisture and rain in the western coast of Florida right now. So that could be that actually could be, I think that's from disturbance number 1, but it is at the middle of Gulf of Mexico right now, and I think all the convection right now are on the eastern side. But yeah, so take a look at disturbance number 1. So right now it's just near the Bahamas right now, and it's moving toward the Bahamas, and there are quite a lot of rain and moisture right there near the Bahamas. So lots of moisture, and it looks like it is trying to get back together right now. And soon it's gonna hit to the Gulf of Mexico. It could possibly become future Teddy or something. It could possibly get into future Teddy, and the other wave right there, other wave coming gonna come off the coast of Africa eventually. Well, not this one, but the one behind it. Possibly get into probably Vicky or something. Possibly get into Vicky. I don't think the disturbance at the Gulf of Mexico. Well, it could become another name storm. It could become Wilfred or something. Could be. But yeah. So this is Paulette right now. So Paulette right there has a lot of convection right now. And this is Tropical Storm Rene right now, so they're really close to each other right now, much closer. So they're now less than 800 miles apart from each other. So the Fiji water effect could happen on these two, between these two. So if it happens, they're not gonna like merge into each other because they're about the same wind speed or something. But Paulette does have much more convection than Rene has, and it is a little bit bigger than Rene right now. So, but the wind speed right now is about the same. So, it could interact with the tracks. Take a look at the African coast one. That has a 90% chance of the development in the next 5 days. So that's a ton of conventions right there. I do see a lot of pinks right there. So that's indicating very cold and very tall cloud tops right there. So guys, so GFS is showing the African wave to devastate Puerto Rico area, and then goes through the Dominican Republic area, and then really weaken after it gets to the mountains, and then re-strengthen again a lot, and then possibly devastate the southeast coast. So Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina should be on high alert for this one. But it's too early right now. Too early right now. So let's see where this is gonna head. Probably late next week or something. That's what the GFS shows. CMC model showing the African wave to actually turn north or something, not for the land. So this is what the icon model shows. The icon model showing not really anything right now. Yeah, showing. Well, I just checked it. It's showing like no threat to land. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash a like if you enjoyed this. Let's see about 5 likes on this video, and subscribe if you're new. Let's hopefully get to 690 subscribers. Hopefully by the end of this month. And alright, guys, I will see you guys next time. Peace out.